All right, listen, this is one of those moments where you stop scrolling and actually pay attention. The first night you power on the Slate Mesh, you realize this isn't just another gaming PC. This is built for the kind of person who is tired of nudging settings down, tired of fans screaming under pressure, tired of knowing your system is the thing holding you back. You reach someone who wants headroom, confidence, the feeling that whatever you launch, your machine is already ahead of you. Before anything else, take a second to check the current price and stock. Systems configured like this don't sit quietly for long, and availability has a way of disappearing when demand spikes. You knew it was time to upgrade when your old rig started showing cracks, frame drops during intense moments, long renders that killed momentum, games that ran fine until they didn't. You weren't chasing ultra settings for fun, you just wanted smooth, reliable power without compromises. Once you make the switch, the tension disappears. Games load faster. Frames stay locked. Multitasking stops being a gamble. You feel this quiet confidence knowing your system isn't being pushed at its cruising. In real use, everything feels elevated. Competitive gaming feels tighter and more responsive. Story-driven titles pull you in with detail you never noticed before. Editing video, streaming, or running multiple apps at once just works without hesitation. Even everyday tasks feel snappier, like the whole system is leaning forward instead of dragging its feet. The performance isn't loud or chaotic. It is controlled, deliberate, the kind that lets you focus on what you're doing instead of what your PC might do next. Don't assume pricing will stay stable. GPU demand shifts fast, and complete builds like this tend to swing when stock tightens. If you're worried this might be more power than you need, that doubt fades quickly. The surprise is how smooth and stable everything feels under load. The airflow design keeps things cool, and the system stays composed even during long sessions. Owning a machine like this changes how you sit at your desk. You feel prepared. You feel capable. You feel like you finally stopped negotiating with performance. Gameplay that stays smooth under pressure, multitasking without slowdowns or stutter, power that feels effortless, not forced, cooling that stays calm and controlled, a setup that finally feels future-ready. It is not a small or subtle system. You want space to let it breathe. At some point, comparing specs just gets exhausting. That is when you choose the machine you already know won't let you down. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you keep pushing off while tolerating lag and limits you've already outgrown. Check availability, trust your standards, and move forward with a system that actually meets them.